This is Santosh and welcome to my channel Code in Swift. Today I am going to show you how we can install Cocoapods on our Mac. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Open terminal, type the command sudo gem install Cocoapods, give your administrator password. It will take some time. That's it. We have installed 9 gems. To check installed Cocoapods, type the command gem list local pipe or vertical bar get Cocoapods. Yes, we have successfully installed Cocoapods. That's it for the day. Thanks for watching.